Texting and driving. That's why we get hit. What up, G? Parking garages are a pain in the ass. Tight turns.
This is the test. If you go through this,
Height clearance.
you want me to...
Definitely not a good situation for anybody involved. No, we're good. Man, if your car is just a little unreliable,
Hurry up with my car cut out!
this is not the place for you. So I pull up on this call. What's going on with your car?
I don't know. It hit me yesterday and we got down here and it quit.
So I pull up on this 2016 Buick Verano who decided it was done starting for the day. What you do when you try to start it? Is it clicking or anything or no?
Sit there and Brad can start it, man. You know.
So it's like, just won't start. Yesterday, he had his fuel pump replaced. All right, let's go take some pictures of it real quick. But here he is today on the hook.
I guess I'm riding down with you, huh?
Yeah. Let me pull my truck forward.
All right.
And we'll get it out of this spot. And then what we're gonna try to do once we back it out of here, so we're gonna try to back it up a little bit. So then that way we're not on that edge right there. On the first floor, into the aisle, right next to a blind curve. I know y'all love these parking garage calls, especially when they in a super tight area during rush hour. Don't hit the truck. Where everybody and their mama was trying to get out that garage. So I had no choice but to push it out. Turn the wheel this way. Put your foot on the brake. Okay. Here, can you roll your window down? So it's gonna be tight because it ain't running. Let's do this. Here, yeah, we want to get behind my truck as best as possible so we don't block this entire aisle off. Okay, that's good right there. Hold the brake. If I would have blocked off that aisle, I would have had this garage looking like an LA traffic jam. We're gonna have to go back more. I can't go any more forward with the truck. I'll be blocking the thing. Because where we were was the only way to get out of the parking garage. I'm gonna push you back. Never fails that the minute these lights kick on, all right, you ready? Traffic be on us like gnats. Stop that. Just stop that. There you go, yep, turn it that way. There you go. Keep going. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna go straight forward. As soon as you feel it bump up against my truck, you can go ahead and put it back in park and then leave your parking brake off.
That'll get old.
Yeah. All right, good to go? Yeah. All right. Okay, we're not done hooking it up. I'm just getting out of the way.
Yep.
And I'll tighten up everything outside. I gotta see where that curb is. That way I don't drag your car over it. Okay. Perfect. All right, let me finish up and we can get out of here. Okay, I'm gonna throw my other safety chain on, button up these straps, and we're gonna start our 50-mile ride all the way down to city of Casa Grande. Hell of a ride to take towards the end of my shift. But this is also the only call I ran today, so can't really complain. Not one bit. I would just like to have gotten this call earlier so I could have got there, got back before the traffic got crazy, that's all. But, you know, it is what it is.
All the way back to Phoenix empty?
Yep. Good thing I'm paid by the hour.
Yeah.
Yep.